Alrighty, Ernie. Let's go over our grocery list one more time. We have to make sure we've listed everything we need.
Sure, Bert.
Okay, we need apples, carrots, celery, and a container of oatmeal.
Yep, it's all there.
Great! Ernie, you bring the grocery list.
You betcha, Bert. Time to go shopping.
Ernie, you forgot the list! Ernie, no, cakes and cookies are not on our list.
But I got this box of oatmeal cookies just for you, Bert.
Ernie, all the things you put in the cart are things we might want. Everything on our list are things that we need.
What do you mean, Bert?
Well, needs are things that help us stay healthy, like healthy food. Wants are extra things, like special treats.
Oh, or can I ever have the things that I want?
Oh, of course, Ernie. But we should always spend money on our needs first. Then we can see if there's enough to get the things we want. That means sometimes we might have to wait a little bit, but that's okay.
You're right, Bert. Hey, Bert, maybe next week we can get some cookies and take them with us when we go to visit Elmo.
That sounds like a great idea, Ernie.